विजिलन्स सप्तकाचे सोमारा परवरे सचिवालयात उक्तावण झाले। हे फावट माय विजन करप्शन फ्री इंडिया असो स्लोगन दवरला। उक्तावणाक मुख्यमंत्री सरकारात नकळत जावपी भ्रष्टाचाराचेर उलोवन गेलो। ताच्याच तोंडांतल्यान आयिल्ली उदाहरणां।
As far as I am concerned, I believe that even using money, government money, without proper application of mind and making the rupee run to the last of its capacity is also vigilance. Though it doesn't strictly fall in director vigilance, it's also a corruption. If I use government money to waste for wastage, or if government revenue is sacrificed, though it may not come under director vigilance, it is indirect wastage of money which has to be also prevented. That is also a different kind of corruption. I'll give you the example of sports. We do the sports complex and we have no plan for who will maintain it. Not only the blame comes on the government, but a good quality infrastructure is wasted. Secondly, when you make it, do every ground you will go for a grass. But the cost of maintenance is so heavy, so whatever you have constructed and spent some 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs to get a particular facility done is gone to waste. And buildings are constructed without any action plan for annual maintenance contract. I have seen PWD constructing tanks without pipelines. There are 32 such cases, at least in 2010 when I had asked for information in the assembly.
रक्षा मंत्री असताना ताणे खंय सुमार 48,000 कोटींचो वायफळ खर्च वाचयलो।
I found similar type of wastage in defense also. There were multiple use systems which were being purchased, and in one area of defense on missiles, I could recalibrate the full requirement matrix in such a way that we saved probably something like 45 to 48,000 crores. But just by planning properly, we could save a huge amount.
गोयच्या इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिव्ह अधिकाऱ्यांक विजिलन्साचो सारको अर्थ समजूंक खंय खासा एजन्सी वरवीं ट्रेनिंग दिवंक जाय।
म्हणजे 1200 फायली विजिलन्सान पेंडिंग आशिल्ल्यो, तातले म्हाका दिसता आयज अजून पर्यंत दर वर्सा 20 जाताल्यो अंदू जवळ 200 ऑलरेडी मेकळ्यो जाल्यो। पण विजिलन्साच्या सगळ्या हातून ट्रेनिंग हे अत्यंत महत्वाचे। ट्रेन द ऑफिसर फॉर व्हॉट इज विजिलन्स. विजिलन्स इज ऑल्सो ऑफ टू काइंड. One is negligence and carelessness in taking a decision. The other is direct corruption. Not all vigilance cases are corruption cases. There are many times vigilance cases comes out of non-following a particular procedure. So GPAD may be asked to conduct evening courses, maybe 2 hours, and all officers can be rotated on every Saturday to just go through the nature of vigilance which comes.
नाका थंय आनी वायफळ खर्च हो खंय भ्रष्टाचार। मात ह्या सरकारान अजून तरी असली एकूय करप्शन केस रजिस्टर केल्लो रिपोर्ट ना। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।